If YouTube is no more recommending your videos, or your videos are no more recommended, then you need to try out this secret feature I'm about to tell you, because it's really going to help push out your videos to more viewers. And remember, you have to like trick the algorithm for them to be able to push out your video. And also remember, the more watch time hour you get, and the more views you get, and the more engagement you get in your videos, will determine whether YouTube should push out your videos to more people or not. So now this is a trick that you will really need to use so that it can enable YouTube to push out your videos and recommend your videos to more people. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time I've come across this page, you're welcome. And on this page, I will teach you on how to grow on your YouTube channel, how to edit your videos, and also how to make money online. So if you love things like this, or if this is your vibe, please do what to like, subscribe, and when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. And if you are among those that when they watch my videos, you leave a nice and wonderful comment, or any comments at all in that video, under that video, seriously, you guys are the real OGs, and it means a lot to me. Now in this video, I'm going to be teaching you ways on how to make YouTube to recommend your videos to more people, and for you to get more views in your videos. Because remember, the more views you have, the more watch time hours, and also the more views you have, the more your YouTube ad revenue keeps increasing. So this is how we are going to do it now. As you can see, this is a video from my channel. If you watch this video very well, you can see that on the side of it, you can see suggested video, and my videos are among the suggested video. Why? Because I worked my way around it, and which made YouTube to be able to recommend my videos to more people for them to watch. Now if you check and you see that your videos are not being recommended, then you need to try out the features that I'm about to tell you. Now these are the features I want you to try, and after trying out these features and you start seeing changes in your YouTube channel, please do what, come back to this video and leave a nice and wonderful comment under it, because seriously it's going to mean a lot to me. Now the first thing you need to do, you need to start learning how to add end screens in your videos. Yes, end screens in your video. It really helps. And end screen is those things that pop out at around 20 seconds that your video is about to end. It pops out on your videos so that it can direct your viewers to click any one of their choice, so that they can be able to watch it, and that is going to increase your views and the way YouTube is actually going to recommend your videos to more people. If you don't know how to add end screens to your video, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box, because I made a video about it, or you can check my page. There is a video about it there. You need to start adding end screens to your video, because it's really going to help you, and it's really going to help YouTube to recommend your video to more people. The second thing you need to start adding to your video is cards. Yes, cards. A lot of you just post videos on your YouTube channel, you just leave it like that. No, now you have works to do. After posting your video, you not just post your video, across your leg and balance your hand and relax, and you're waiting for the video to actually, no, that's not how it's done. So when you post your video, go to your YouTube studio and make sure you add your cards. Yes, add your card. Add your card. I don't know if you guys used to monitor things very well. Now, when you watch your favorite YouTuber, check at the upper layer of their videos. You're going to see something that normally pops out like a link or something. When you click it, it's actually going to direct you to another video. Or even if you don't see the link, let's say you are carried away, you click the description box, you will see videos like this. You will see something like this that pops up, that is going to tell your viewers to click it and watch it. That is card. So you need to start adding cards to your videos. Please, it is very, very important. Another thing you need to start doing is playlists. You need to start making playlists, because one thing I love about playlists is that, let's say for example, in one playlist there are 20 videos in one playlist. When someone clicks that playlist to watch, all the videos will be suggested. All the videos will pop up, that the person has no other option but to keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. That is just one thing I love about playlists. Another thing again about playlists, that let's say you want to share that playlist link to someone, or you want to share it on a WhatsApp group or anything. When you copy out that playlist link and you send it to someone, when the person clicks that playlist link, all the videos in that playlist, it is going to pop up. That's another thing I love about that playlist. See, if you want to grow your watch time hour and you have not started doing playlists, you are joking. You are really joking with your channel. I'm serious. So now you need to start adding videos to your playlist. Now another feature that I want you to do, I want you to do this, and this feature is going to be a practical video. Yes, this feature is actually going to be a practical video of how you're going to do it, and we are going to go to it now. It's for you to go to your YouTube studio and for you to be able to customize your page and turn on some features that you don't even know that exist on your YouTube channel, which is bad. So right now we are going to go to YouTube studio so that I will teach you how to turn on these features. So for this one, we are going to be going to our YouTube studio, but we are going to be using the Chrome for it. Hold on. So we are going to be going into the YouTube studio there, but we are going to be using the Chrome version for this. So you are going to come to your Chrome and type YouTube studio. Then we are going to wait for it to load. Then you will click the first link and then you will log in. Then when you log in, you will see get the app, but because we don't want to get the app, we are going to click on continue to studio, because we want to go to the studio in the YouTube. We want to go to the studio from the Google Chrome. Now when so now this is my channel. Then we will now go to customization, because we want to customize our YouTube channel. And when you want to go to customization, customization is this second to last one. This second to last one is customization. We are going to click on it and see, this is where you can customize your YouTube channel. This is the place. Now as you can see, I left this because I really wanted us to customize it together. You will now click on the home tab. You can see I have not done any much work here. Now for this home tab, they said show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Now we are going, if this is off, you are going to click on so it can be turned on. Now layout, customize layout of the channel homepage with 12 sections. Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Now we are going to, okay, wait, let me remove it so we can start afresh. Now they said customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. Now this is, we are going to click on add section. We are going to add channel trailer. Now this channel trailer, pick a video that is very unique. Pick a video that is doing very well, that is related to your niche, and something that is very nice, that when someone sees it, the person will understand your channel, and also the person will be forced to like go more deeply into your channel and might even subscribe, because at times people are stingy with their subscribe button, but at least like leave an impression on the person, that the person will like the video or maybe come back to that your channel again. Now in this case, I'm going to be putting this video. This is a video that I want people, when they come, they are going to see it. Now let me save it before I mistakenly scroll and this thing is going to like reopen again. Now said for you, you will now come back again and add section. You now see spotlight for returning subscribers. You now have to pick a video for those that are going to come back and see it, like your returning subscribers. In this case, I am going to pick which video. Let me look for one. How to get free copyright music. Okay, I'm going to pick this video for it, and I'm going to click on publish so it can be saved. Now let's go back. You can see I already added channel trailer for those that have not subscribed. I'm now adding featured video for returning subscribers. Now if I want to add another section, you can see popular videos, live now, past, blah blah blah. I am now going to click on popular videos again so that they can be it can be added. Hold on, wait, let me remove all these sections so we can do this afresh. Please, now if you can remember, you have done channel trailer and returning subscriber. Then I'm not going to come here again and click on add sections. I'm going to click on popular videos. Yes, I'm going to click on popular videos next. After it, then this, I'll click on publish again. Then I'm going to come back here again and click on add section. Then I'm going to click on create playlist. I just love this answer. Then I'm going to click on created playlist. Oh no, and this, I'll come back again to this add session. Then I will click on single playlist. I will click on how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. I'll click on publish again because I want people to see it. Wait, I will show you guys. I'll come back here again and click on add playlist. I'll come back again and click single playlist and now click on editing of videos. There's one playlist that is missing here. Published. Yeah. So now you will now come to this more settings. For this, for you, YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. I'm going to click on more setting. Now in this case, you can see what should be included in your for you section. My video is on. If these things are turned off, please do well to turn them on. I'm going to turn on the video, turn on the shorts, turn on the live streams. Then now in this recency, you can see all content recommended. YouTube always updates their for you section with fresh content, and this recent content only, content that you have posted in the 12 months. Now see, I don't buy the idea of content you have posted in the 12 months, because let's say you end up monetizing your YouTube channel and you didn't come back here again to reset this. That means it's only the content that you did within a year, within 12 months, that's going to always be popping up on the for you page. There's always going to be popping up on the home page, which I don't buy that idea. So please, I will advise you to pick all content, so that YouTube is still going to be recommending all your content. Because see, you might have a video that you have done 5 years ago, and all of a sudden it will just pick up and start generating money for you. So we don't want to miss any opportunity. So please click on all content and click on done and click on published. So this is it on how to do this. And now let me show you what my YouTube channel is going to look like. Show you what my YouTube channel, and let me show you what my YouTube channel is going to look like. You can see now, this is it. This is my for you. You can see all my videos. Now this is the popular videos. This is the playlist. This is second playlist. So this is what your page is going to look like. So this is it. So guys, these are features you need to start working with. You need to add your end scripts, you need to add your cards, you need to add videos to your playlist, and you need to turn on these features. And trust me, when you turn on all these features and do everything I asked you to do in this video, trust me, there is no way that YouTube is not going to recommend your videos to more people, or there is no way that your videos will not be suggested under other people's video. So this is it on how to make YouTube to recommend your videos to more people. So if you find this video helpful and you enjoy videos like this, please do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community, and when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.